For making this, you need relay module, IR sensor, 2 gear motors, jumper wire and battery caps. Here is the relay module and IR sensor to the cardboard, and then you connect the jumper wires to the relay module. After that, connect the gear motor to the cardboard. When I am giving connection, please like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel, Shubhankar Innovations. Please connect the wires according to the circuit. If any motor is working in reverse, reverse its connection. You can see that the wheels are not rotating in the black in the other way.